Hey, good morning, everybody. 19th of September, about 4:20 Pacific time. I thought I'd whip through some of the futures charts and some of the commodity charts. Got time to kill here this morning and just see what's shaking here. And I'm over in TradingView, so it's delayed a couple minutes, but I think we get the gist here. Oil had a big pop Tuesday morning, and then they did their report and it had a further move, but it was below. They've certainly front run that report. Wednesday we have at 10:30 Eastern time the other report from oil. We got a slingshot here, so I would think anything that closes above the VWAP here is probably going to be good for a move higher. Um, and and oil right now looks fairly constructive. If you look at USO, it's just been chopping higher, and looks like it's setting up again for another move higher. And one of the things that I do a lot to generate income is I'll sell at the money or in the money calls on USO, just to pick up some cash, and it might be a nice play here to sell the 1450s. Go out to Friday a week, and you can pocket some nice change here. It looks like it's going to try to spike it again, but even if you're wrong, it'll come down to the bottom of the channel. You'll still be the trade will still be protected with the extra premium you got by selling in the money calls. Just FYI on that. It's a nice strategy. I do it with GDX too. Here's ES, kind of flat-ish overnight range after that move. It was building a little 5-minute head and shoulder pattern last night. It kind of washed out into kind of nothingness. Looks like we got an overnight slingshot. It's on the 15-minute. I really don't pay attention too much to those that happen early in the morning. And if we go over to here, we're in real time now. Yeah, see it broke down. I got to move my overnight range down now. It's one of the first things I do when I get up in the morning is try to establish that range. Now that range looks more normal now. And I was calling for 2904 overnight. So who knows, it may get there. We'll see. But typically the move will be now to run it back up to VWAP into the open, and then we'll see what happens from there. But now we got almost a 10-point range overnight. I like to see that. This may still have a little bit more weakness in it, and like I said, I'm looking for it to come back and touch that 2904 area. And then let's see here. Gold had a nice move overnight. Okay, now it's coming back down to VWAP, and that turned into some strength here on the miners here. Give me a second here. And yeah, so GDX is kind of pushing up. Got good relative strength, money flows, and I don't look at these markets in the 15-minute. Here we go. That looks like a good market right now. Starting to get overbought. If I was in it, I'd probably be taking profit right here. Something to keep an eye on. And then AG, which we are in. It should get some. Oops, sorry, can't spell in the dark. With AG here, we're gonna get some push here too. Nice little flag here on it. So still around 570. I expect it to push up over 580, and then I'll probably reset my stop. I'm gonna move it up to break even this morning though. And then we also have FCX. And FCX is breaking higher now too. So it'll be a nice trade for us this morning as well. And I'll move my stop on this to break even or a little bit higher then. And so that's kind of where we are with that. And if we look at a lot of people are looking at copper now, and copper hit the high here. It looks rolling down, but this could be a bull flag. This is kind of resetting up. This is a longer term. I'll check off the day chart here. And yeah, so it's been pushing down. So this will be an area to watch. Had a slingshot trade here. Nice push higher. And if you want to take a shot at copper here, is that I think it's coming into an opportunity to for a bounce. I don't like the fact that it made a lower low here with this, but this could just be these they do these stop runs just to screw with traders. So if we get any kind of movement off of this, if we get any kind of movement off of money flow, I would probably jump on it. And then going into the Qs are kind of weakish. You know, they're not really doing anything. Didn't really have too big of a day yesterday. And the last thing I want to show you here is companion with copper. A lot of people are looking at lithium again, and it's been stepping up too. Let's look at that on a 2-hour, and it's getting to overbought area too. So we might be front running the Fed here on a lot of the commodities. Just kind of keep an eye on it. Also, this could be a cup, and could be an opportunity here for a breakout. So, but anyway, just thought I'd share some morning stuff with you guys while we're waiting for it to open. And like I said, when you get this, I'm not sure because I'm going to render it. It's 4:30 in the morning Pacific time right now. Thanks. Bye-bye.